Welcome to Walkertown Middle School. My name is Mr. Bishop. I'm the health and PE teacher here at Walkertown. I'm excited to have you, and this is my seventh year. I'm starting my seventh year here at Walkertown, and I'm excited to continue to be a part of this community. We want to welcome you in. I want to welcome you in. As for all of the boys, I'll be seeing you, I'll be meeting you, I'll be teaching you health and physical education for the next year. At least the next 9 weeks, we will be here doing our remote learning, and I'm excited about it because it brings us and it gives us an opportunity to extend our classroom beyond the walls. Yes, you're here. It's our gym class, it's our health class, it's our family life class. And as we go through, we're going to continue to learn and we're going to continue to grow and we're going to continue to use these awesome tools that we have to educate ourselves. When I say we, I mean you and I. Yes, I am learning just like you were learning, and I'm looking forward to learning together. As I said, I'm the health, physical education, and family life teacher. These are the three topics, the three classes that I teach, and these are the three classes that you're going to be noticing that when you see Mr. Bishop, he's a part of that. I also have been the basketball coach here at Walkertown Middle School, and hopefully due to the pandemic, we have some delayed basketball this year. We might not have any, but I know we will have physical education and I know we're going to have health. So let's focus on that. Physical education, health education, family life. All in that category, we are going to learn to continue to grow. For me, I believe my class is the most relevant class, as everything we do in our class is something you have to apply into your life. And my job is to teach you as you navigate your way through life. We're going to navigate our way through the classroom, especially over the next 9 weeks. I'm going to get a chance to know you. If you're new, you're going to get a chance to know me. If you have already been here at Walkertown, welcome back. Can't wait to see you. Canvas is going to be our platform. We're going to look forward to growing together, learning Canvas. We're going to use things such as Microsoft Teams and Zoom so I can speak to you, I can teach you, and I can learn more about you, and you can learn more about me. As I said, I've been here for 7 years. I have enjoyed it. I've loved it. And I'm looking forward at some point where we can get back in the physical gym and start moving again. But until then, we're going to keep moving and we're going to keep learning and growing in our activities. Our syllabus is something that's very important. You can find our syllabus, my syllabus, your syllabus on in our classroom for Canvas. I will show you how to find that. Do not worry about it. Most important thing right now is knowing when do you have Mr. Bishop, which brings us to the point of attendance, right? If you look at your schedule as a sixth grader, you might see 6-5A, 6-6A, 6-5B, or 6-6B. Well, what does that mean? 6 is your grade, 5 is the order in which your elective comes, and A or B is your day. So look at your schedule right now. Take a chance and say, when do I have Mr. Bishop? Oh, 6-6A. That means I am sixth grade, second elective on A day. I'm looking forward to see you in class. We're going to learn our classroom management, our skills, the things that we need to do to make class flow smoothly. And as we do those things, we're going to grow. We're going to educate ourselves. We're going to have fun. I like having fun, and I know you like to have fun. But we're going to have fun doing it the right way and learning together. Of course, PE. How do we do PE online? You're going to see it. We're going to do some physical education. I'm going to make sure you're moving. Here's one great thing about being remote. I have a little bit more wiggle room than I would have in the gym. Okay, of course, you're not in the gym or on the track or on the tennis court, but you're going to be at home. You're going to be around. You're going to be able to move. You're going to be able to do these things, and we're going to be able to do and see and assess all these movements, all the things we know, and we're going to learn so much over the course of these 9 weeks right here. Again, I am happy to have you. I'm looking forward to teaching you. Parents, please use my contact info to contact me. It is there. Students, we're going to have a blast. We're going to use whatever we need to use to make sure that we are learning. I am looking forward to teaching you, and I hope you have a great open house and an even better day. Go Pack 2020, 2021. We're going to make it work. We're going to do